Hey, good afternoon. Welcome to today's stream. As you may have noticed, this is part 3 of the series in which I'm going to get this machine up and going again. You may also notice that there's no part 2. So what had happened was I streamed for about 3 hours about 3 days ago. Got a lot done, went through and went to review the footage and realized that it didn't record any of the audio from my voice. So it really was just my hands and like a table down view of me doing stuff that wasn't really useful or I'm pretty sure entertaining to anybody. So I ended up deleting it. So there's a lot that actually got done that isn't in the video series. So I'll go over kind of what I did last time and then we'll pick up from there. So let me grab a camera here. So let me flip over to this guy. Oh, are you not going to do that for me now? Hang on just a second. Why are we not doing this? Give me just a second. Let's see. Interesting. Okay. Not picking up my tripod camera here. In that case, one problem after another. Let me see if I can get that going real quick. Let's see here. Okay. The camera's there. Let me flip back over to it here. Still no. What can we do to show you this? Let's see, so this should be working. Alright. Well then, in that case, well, we'll just have to go from the top down, and I'll have to figure that camera out another time. So, as you can see, the cable chain has been remounted. Last time, in the first video, or in the first stream, I left this dangling because I wanted to hook it up and then get all the cables attached to where they need to be on the tool head. So that was one of the first things I did during the last stream was I connected it here. I ended up disconnecting this over here so that I could pull enough cable through to get them down to where they need to be. So everything on the tool head's all hooked up. This is all back to where it needs to be. This is all wrapped up nicely into the control box. So that was part of what I did last time. Another part of what I did last time was I took the bed And I had also put the sticker on it here. Didn't miss too much. I mean, it's just literally applying a sticker to the bed. Over to the bed, and then a good portion of the last stream was me doing a little bit of exploration in the control box here. I found out essentially that this thing's got, you know, a Melty board in it. Got some of the info off of the previous firmware. Figured out this thing didn't have a bootloader on it, so when I tried to upload a new firmware via USB, it wasn't going to do it. So I spent a lot of time struggling with getting an Arduino hooked up as an ISP to the header here to burn a bootloader onto this thing here, and then I was able to get a firmware on it. So that's essentially where I left it. Everything is pretty much ready to go, I think. I'm gonna turn it on. I think all we really have to do is kind of hot tighten the nozzle and like level the bed and probably put the spool holder on. And probably close this up. So I think let's start with closing this up. So this kind of was a unique setup because the power supply came out of the back here, like so. There's one, and then the back. Well, I shouldn't say the back, but all this cabling came out, and this, let's see, it kind of came out of there. Let's pull this off. Let's pull this off. You stay over there. That way we can kind of do this. And it looks like they weren't there before, but it looks like maybe there were a zip tie there to hold that in place, so I'm going to put one there. Just so that this cable kind of stays where it needs to be. That might have been, I don't know if the previous owner was in this control box before, but let's do it. Let's kind of see if we can get one in there. Or actually, let's go from the inside. Can I do that? Yeah. Nope. Let's see if we can get that in there. Yeah, that'll do it. I think it's just going to go over and around. Oh, come on, don't be finicky on me. Let's see if we can get one in there. Come on. Oh, don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Okay, well, it's snapped into place, so let's see again. I don't know, actually. Wonder if there was just one underneath it. Where are my snips at? Let's get it closed up, and then we'll turn it on and we'll figure out what to do here with the bed leveling. Come on. There we go. Switch out. There. Yeah, if I remember now, I think that was the way it was years back when I kind of took it apart. It's not the most elegant way for them to have kind of done this, but if I remember right. I think we're going to put another one around the actual cable on the inside. Kind of like so. Yeah, I think we're good. Let me just use my cutter to grab that and really pull it. And hopefully it doesn't move very much. Yeah. We'll do the same for the side one here. Alright, we'll call that good. I'm not gonna worry too much about it. Okay. So that essentially, turn this on its side. Or maybe not. It's gonna go like this. Get those wires in there. And then we've got some flathead screws to go in there. What size screws for you? I think you were little guys. Yeah. So let's do that. Yeah, so that's gonna have to be good. Okay, then all this stuff kind of just went in here. Like so. And then this went back here. Hey. Remember that's kind of. Might not have needed to put that back on yet. Yeah, I need some space to get my hand under. Just undo this. You'll see that the power supply mounting screws are here. That's kind of sandwiched it like that, and the holes lined up, and then you had to screw the holes or screw the power supply into it. Where'd you go? I think it was this one. feel like it went in right. It needs to stay put. Get that one in right. Alright, last one for the power supply. Okay, that went in. I don't know, maybe I cross-threaded it earlier. Hope not. Alright. So let's do that so you can see what kind of goes there. Let's put a few screws in the bottom just to lock it in place. And these are flathead screws that go in here. Oh, come on. You gonna give me trouble right now? There we go. Just need a little bit of help. I might as well put it in. I'm already here. Looks like that's that on the bottom. I think what is that, 3 or 4 on the back. Come on. Yeah, looks perfect. Not missing any, not any loose parts. Always good to hear. Last screw. Okay. Just go over them real quick, give them a little tighten. Okay, good to go. Okay, that's it. We are mostly done with the hardware. Let's see. Go. Let me plug this in. And let's turn it on. Where are you? You're back here. Okay. Alright, firmware. Yeah. That's good. So far. Okay, let's boot it up. Let's see. Let's do a little bit of pre-checks here. Let me hook this thing up to an Octoprint server. And let's flip these around. Let's see. Come on, browser. Oh, that's fine. Okay. Gotta choose the right device. There we go. Okay. Let's. So that was it? Yeah. Alright, so this was the Octopi instance I had set up for my Ender 6, so I'm just going to use it. Yeah, let's see. Might be connected just fine. We get temperatures. Let's go to terminal. I want to check the end stops. So let's do 119. Actually, let's turn off all these two, just so we can see the output from M119. Oh, I'm gonna do it right though. Okay, so nothing's honed right now, so these are all proper. One thing I do want to check, if I unplug one, like the Z-axis, and do it, it should report triggered. That's more of a safety thing. Okay, good. Okay, let me plug it back in. Good. Let's do it M119 again. Okay, open. Let me hold down the Z1 and send M119, and it should report that it's triggered. Okay, Z, Y, okay, X is back here on the carriage. Yep, okay, end stops are good. Let's home X first. Okay, it's moving up, 5 millimeters. It's homing. Cool. Let's do Y. That looks good. Let's home Z. And of course, I could do this through the buttons on the interface here on Octoprint. You know what? I wonder. No, I can't do that. Dang it. Never mind. Let's see. Terminal. Let's do Z. That's looking good. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. No, it's good. It might be like a millimeter away. Good. I've got room to adjust in the springs here. So I think what we'll do, let's do some of this here. Let's put the Z-axis up, maybe about 50. Okay. Wow. It's alive. Hey, we've already completed. I mean, the goal of this build series was to get it, back to life. So it's looking good. Let's see if we can get it to print something. Let's do X. We'll move X. I don't know. Let's move it 100. Okay. Z, I want to move up more, actually. So what we're going to do is we're going to hot tighten the nozzle because it's an E3 EV6 that you need to do that for. So I'm going to heat it up to 280 and we're going to, I guess, wrench it. Hopefully not too crazy. So let's go temperature here. Let's go with the tool. I'm going to turn it to 280. And we'll let it go. While it is doing that, I have to go get a wrench. So I'm going to put the Be Right Back on, and I will be right back. All right. Let's see, I'm back. Let me see here. Nice. Yeah, this thing I would say is probably from 2016. So it's going, I mean, 6-8 years, right? I mean, the machines back then they were definitely built different. I mean, this one happened to be, you know, a lot of like sheet metal parts. That Geeetech i3 Pro, what does that even look like? Let's see. Well, is it still heating up? It's still heating up. It's a 12-volt heater, so it's going to take a little bit. But let's do this. What's that printer look like? What is it? i3 Pro. i3 Pro? Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, that thing's from the same era. Well, let's do this. Let's just get full screen on that. Yeah. That's from the same era. That looks like it's an acrylic frame to me. Oh yeah. That one looks a lot like the A-Net, like the A8. Ooh, nice. So you did like a almost like an AM8 mod for it. Or what do they call it? I think it's AM8 actually. Kind of this thing. Kind of like that. Okay, this is going. So I'm gonna let me move this over a little bit actually, so I can get my wrench under there. Let's get 10. Nice. Yeah. All right. So hot tighten the nozzle. So I'm going to. Let's see. Can we flip that? So I'm just trying to figure out the way I need to turn it. Is this the right wrench? I've got this little, I guess, RC car thing. That should work. Yeah. Okay. And I fully expect my firmware to like give off some kind of a heat warning on this, because I mean this thing right here is going to soak up a lot of heat as soon as I put it on. So. Ooh. Yeah, that's not maybe. I think. I'm gonna use just the Other wrench. Okay, I'm glad everything else that I have has the reel on it. There it is. There's the warning because I had the heater on, or the wrench on it, taking away all the heat. I'm not going to overcrank that. Okay, I'm happy with that. All right. Well, let's flip back. Yeah, see, there's the warning. So we'll reconnect. W stands for. Oh wow. Yeah. Back then, I started off with the thing from Maker Farm. It wasn't even a freestyle. It was a D2 is what they called it. They didn't even go with the iterations. We have, no, it wasn't this thing either. It was, what do I? Well, the one I had was like the Mendel, like the, it was one of these guys. Let's see here. Yeah. So I started off with one of these, and then they started doing a lot of stuff in wood, like you mentioned, like the Maker Farm i3 stuff. A lot of that. I eventually ended up getting a Prusa only about 3 years ago, and more recently Voron. So I think my next build is going to be probably a Voron Trident. I want to do like a tool changer with it. But a rat rig, I'm definitely looking at those as well. I'm really trying to weigh it out like this week, because if there's going to be Black Friday deals, I want to take advantage. Okay, so let's kill all this. Looks like I'm going to have to rehome it all again. Let's just do X and Y. Don't go any higher, please. Okay. Let's do X that way. Okay, so. Alright, so let's move it back over about 10. Yeah. Let's see, let's turn the temperature back up, I guess. We'll go just to 230 this time. And for the bed, 60. And while we're waiting for that, let me flip these over. I think what I'm looking at is I want to do a multicolor or multi-material thing, but I don't want to do it through one nozzle. So I'm actually looking at doing a Trident with this guy's mods to add like six tool heads to it. It looks like it's fairly well baked. There's some indicators on the actual tool head that indicate whether or not a tool head's parked or whatnot. It looks like a lot of cool stuff with it. This is the GitHub already, so I don't know why, but like right there. Let's look at some of these images. Yeah, so this is a Trident. The Z-axis is rotated 90 degrees so that the portion that should be on the front is actually on the right side, so that the cross member in the back can hold the tool heads. So I'm thinking that's probably what I'm going to end up ordering if there are deals on it on like this week. But yeah. Oh, silicone sock. Let's put that on too. As well. I wonder if this thing is actually going to stay on. Alright. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Well, let's work on bed leveling, I guess. Let's Home Z. Oh, interesting. Really? Probably. Are there any kits in the U.S.? I thought they were like Europe. That might, if there's like a crazy shipping, that might kill it for me. I mean, unless they want to send one my way, of course I'll build it on stream. The V-Core 4. The V-Core 4 looks pretty cool. Look at that. Okay. This looks really, really close in design to like the way a Trident would be laid out too. Oh yeah, look at that. Is that that's an IDEX. That's cool.
How are we on level?
Well, you might be a little close there. Oops. Come on. We're going to do the old paper leveling, of course. Yeah. I have feeler gauges. Gotta remember which way to turn. It's been a little while since I've like manually leveled a bed like this. I think that's the other way too. Oh. Really? Let's keep it quite a bit of room. I wonder if that just... Oh, damn it. That turned into the platform. Which way do we turn this thing? Let's do it again. Portuguese. Hi. Hey, let's look at shop now. Let's just say oh, there is a US store down here. Interesting. Okay, fix that. Dang it. Here's one of these. That's it. I can probably use this. This left a little divot in the head, so I'm gonna kind of shave it off, I guess, and probably not right there. Okay, so let's just on this Y again. Home Z. Okay. So yeah. good there. Let's do. I don't know. Really sensitive on that. Okay, we're going to do something else. We're going to forget the paper. We're gonna feeler gauge it. Let's see. Hopefully this doesn't set it off either. I'm just grabbing the 0.1mm feeler gauge. Let's see. Alright. That feels good. Let's do the home X. No, not there. Let's see. Let's repeat. What is it? Z? Z again. I would like that way that it lifts up 5mm, but whatever. What's going on here with the bed? What's going on here with the bed? Is it even making it to 60? I wonder if this is this power supply is just too weak for it to hit both at the same time. Let's stick it at 50 for now. We'll just stay there. And we'll do. Let's do PLA. Let's do 210. Okay. Interesting. Okay. All right, I think this might be a firmware thing. Here's what I'm going to do. Let's flip over here. I don't really want to take it all back apart again. Didn't mess with the PID values for the bed. I did a PID tune, which I thought was going to be good, but maybe not. So here's the fun part. If you want to flash the firmware, you have to basically pull the LCD connector off, which is rather annoying. Here's what we're gonna do. If I'm undoing all this, I think maybe we'll just leave this off until we've got it actually printing. Thought it would be like pretty straightforward to get this done, but I guess not. Okay, can I do this? I don't have to take the power supply off. Please, 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 please. Nope. Dang it. Where did I put that? Can't believe I have to take it all the way apart to get to that stupid connector. And there's a jumper in there too, actually. The printer that I'm fixing is a Wanhao Duplicator i3. It's kind of a i3 style from back in like 2016. Unfortunately, I think I'm having problems with the bed settings. Let's see. Let's take that off. And to be able to flash the firmware, you have to do some annoying stuff. Come on. Can I get to you right now? You're giving me trouble. You're gonna give me trouble. Okay. Alright. So let's see, USB, so there's a jumper in here to tell it to run off of the USB power. And then you gotta unplug the card or the LCD, plug it into the laptop. I think what we're gonna do, let me open, no, we kind of write that way. VS Code. To give it a second. And actually, let's do this. I'm going to go to the examples page, or the configurations. Let's go to config, examples. I got a lot of the Winehouse stuff from this thing here. Duplicator i3, let's see, and I want configuration H. PID. PID settings for the bed I changed. yeah, so these things I adjusted. I'm probably just going to put it back to Bang Bang like it was. So we'll go to VS Code. Let's go over here to configuration H. Oh look, I had it. Okay. Yeah, so these were the values I did when I tried to PID tune the bed. Looks like maybe this bed doesn't like it, so we're gonna just take it out. Save. And then go back here, hit build. This is gonna take a few minutes. Let's see here. I've almost got it. I think like really all I have to do is level the bed and like put filament in it. Actually, while we're waiting on that, I'm gonna put the spool holder on top, just because of the way it's gonna go into the Titan. I don't really like it on the toolbox. Let's do that while we're waiting on the firmware. Something there. Holy crap. Second thought. To you. Too big. That's back. Alright, here's the spool holder. We'll put that on. Yeah, that was pretty quick, I guess. Come on, firmware. Actually, while we're waiting on that, also, we're still waiting on that. What about a slicer profile? Let's do work a slicer. Come on. Still doing it? Yeah, still doing it, okay. Alright, so let's do, I think it's, where is it? This little menu button. Help? Yeah, we'll just set up Wizard. Let's see. How are we doing still? Okay. Are you really taking that long to load the setup wizard? Wow. I mean, the laptop I've got for streaming, I guess, isn't that powerful, but I wouldn't expect it to take this long. How are we doing over here still? Still going. One of you two do something. Oh, look at that. Orca wins. We're going to do generic. Yeah. Marlin thing. Let me just take a look at here. And how I've got it. Positron is just doing PLA, Forons, all of them. Marlin printer. I think this one I'm just going to do PLA on. Oh, look at that. That's pop up from VS Code 4. Yep, okay, let me hit upload. So it's going to upload to this. It's go back here. Generic Marlin. Let's do generic PLA. Yes. Finish. What do we get here? Let me look at these things here because I think this shows up as a system. Yeah. Let me save this as a user preset. Yeah. Agree. Let's just do that. Okay. And I think the same thing with the filament. We'll just save this. Sure. Okay, so I kind of hate how you can't really. It doesn't give you the options to just kind of customize it as you would go through. Let's see. Let's go through because now we can just uncheck it because I got a user preset based off of it. Positron the same, okay. Yeah, so I should have mine and that. See, I want to get rid of copy. It's going to bother me. So wait, you can't do that? I don't want to reset that. I'll just go generic PLA then. Oh, trash it. Something like this? Sure. I don't know. I mean, that works. Okay, what are we doing on the other thing here? Still uploading? Still uploading. Okay. Let's look, I guess. Set. I know it's 200 by 200. So you know what though? Where were my calipers at? Because I ran into this last time, so I'm gonna make it 200 by 180 in here, and maybe I'll come back and adjust the firmware. Printable height, I know I set it on this thing as 130 because this actually runs into the frame. It's a bad nozzle, volume, G-code flavor, and Marlin 2. Relative lead distances, yes. Firmware retraction I did turn on. Cooling fan, I'm just going to leave all this stuff the same. Machine G-code, we'll come back to it. I'm not going to mess with multi-material. Nozzle diameter's right. Retraction length, I'm going to go firmware retraction, but we will see. We're trying to download your change. Sure. I mean, this looks all pretty standard to me. We can save. And I think, yeah, so it does some stuff there, okay. Motion ability, okay. These I need to set, or I don't need to, but, oh, come on. Let's try it again. It failed because it couldn't connect to this thing for some reason. I don't have to jump around, that's why. It needs the auto reset jumper right here. So let's put that bad boy on. Yeah, I'll have to do the feedback. Maybe it'll still pick it up before, because it's still compiling right now, so we'll see. But let's go back. Oh, while it's doing this, can I go to configuration H? I think it's 1000. for the accelerations. Yeah, it's 1,000, 1,100, 300. No. That was 3,000 actually for the extruder, right? Yeah. Oh wait, maximum speeds are different. That is your acceleration is 200, 200, 250 for the speeds. 50 for the speeds. There it is. So that 1,000, 1,000, 100. 3,000. Acceleration for extruding. 3,000 for retracting. 3,000. Maximum acceleration for travel. 1,000. That should be it for that. We can save again. Okay, let's look at this cheat code. Okay, so use absolute, use relative. I don't want these in here. This guy, let's try that. Let me save it, see what it does to this. I don't want, let's see, this is fine. I don't want you to mess with the accelerations. You're gone. Temperature, first layer temperature, bed temperature, home all. Move the print head up. Wait for the temperatures. Zero out the extruder. This looks like a line. Or this moves to an area. And this is the intro line. And then what's the layer height? Here, let's save. Layer height's 0.2. Why do you want 0.3? I'll have to look at some G-code afterwards. Let's see, this is going to be... This does say... I did say firmware retraction, right? Firmware retraction, yeah? How are we doing on VS Code here? Okay, so it's done. Okay. Nope, I didn't actually mean to close that, but okay, fine. So we will unplug that. Pull the jumper. Move the voltage select jumper back. And put the LCD back. Okay, we'll turn it back on. I'm just going to leave this until it's actually printing. And then we'll put it back together. Let's see. Okay, I mean, it looks good. Here, we'll do this. We'll get it to heat up again, and then we'll go back to the slicer profile, I guess. This is connected. Control. Let's see. XY. Well, now I wonder, should I change the Z in the firmware? Well, 100. Let's see. 180. It should be 180, I guess. I think Y is good though. Okay, I'll keep that in mind. But anyway, let's go back. Actually, let's just home X. Let's home again. We'll home Z. I'm gonna go through it cold first. Leveling it cold first, and then we'll see what it looks like hot. Okay, so that's right on it. Yeah, 180 is probably the way to go. Okay, so home Y. Say what? Oh, it's already opened, that's why. Need to match that out then. Let's do. Oof. 200 might be a little bit much too. I think also 180 on that. Okay, I'll have to adjust that at some point here. Let's see. Let's see. Actually, not bad. Not bad. Okay, let's do a X. Home Z. Oh man, that one's way off. Let's see here. That might be a little close. I don't know, actually. Okay, home one. Moving. Okay, I think we're going to temperature, and we're going to set the bed to 60, set this thing to 210. While we're waiting on that, let's go back to this here. Oh, see the intro line. I don't know why it goes. So you see up here it goes to 0.3, but then waits for it to heat up, does some form of reloading, then it goes back to Z.2. So this is fine. This one, retract. I'm gonna leave all of this the same. So X0, Y, 105. I don't like that. We're gonna go Y02. Disable motors. Yes. Like that. I think that's it for that. Let's take a look here. We need to trash a couple of G codes, and let's put something on the plate. Where is it? Oh, there. Oh, come on. All right, give me just a second. else? Let's see. Paste, paste, paste. Okay. Let me put a thing on the bed. Let's see. Ooh. And now, let's see. What is it? Support? Others? Spirit. I like the spirit on this thing. Share spirit distance. I want it to be like 15 millimeters away. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Come on, play it. Yeah. This looks good to me. Let's export this. Save it. It's on my desktop. Okay, let me upload it to this thing. Upload locally. It's gonna be way faster to upload locally. Okay. Okay, temperatures should be good. How are we looking on spacing here? Yeah, it grew a little bit. So we gotta adjust it a little bit. Okay. Let's do. Basically redo it when it's. Ooh, that is hot. Let's see. I hit the heat block. The adjustments for doing this aren't really all that great. Okay. Really? Whoop, don't do that. Here we go. Let's take Y. That's a little bit much. Yeah, I definitely grew. Hang on, don't keep. Almost. Yes, that looks good. X. That's Home Z. Yeah, I think it's good. You know what? I think it's time to actually print. Let's get some PLA in here. Use gold. Blue. What do we have here? Oh, great. get some green on it. And that's kind of tweaked, so let's do this. We need a little piece of PTFE actually too. Where's that Titan box at? Take that. There was a piece in here, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's just stick that where it needs to go. I guess that's not it. It's kind of slippery. Let me see. Here we go. Now I went in. We did it. Not all the way. There we go. All right, so now we've got our PTFE. We can load it. And I am going to hit print on this thing. Let's hit this. All right, it's lifting. Good. Once I get home, they lift it. It's going to wait for temperatures. It should. You're going to get to 230? 220. Okay. Well, let's just get started. We'll watch the first layer and then I'm going to go take the dog for a walk, but I'll let this roll and we'll come back to it when me and the doggy get back. Let's see, are we doing it? Okay, it's doing that start line. That looks good. Okay, that's a long start line. Yeah, I gotta adjust that firmware. Or just leave that clip right there. So it's actually too long over here on the bed. Oh, look at that. Oh! Look at that. It's alive! Okay. We might be a little bit. We might be a little bit too far away, but I think it's gonna stick. Let me take a picture of that first layer. Yeah, I might be. Can I maybe step this thing down? No, it doesn't look like it. Okay. All right, so it's printing. So I think at this point, I'm just gonna let it go. I'm gonna take the dog for a walk, but I'm gonna leave the stream going. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and I'll come back. If you tune out between now and the time when I get back, I appreciate you subscribing and liking the stream. And thank you very much, but we'll let the stream go. So here we go. All right, look at that, look at that, it finished. Looks like it probably finished maybe just a few minutes ago. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at this thing, huh? It looks like it did what I wanted it to do. Maybe except for lifting the Z when it finished. The motor's off. This. Okay. This is. Come on, focus on it. Well, right there. This is kind of what I would expect from a machine of like this era. And this profile doesn't really have much tuning, so maybe this can get better with a little bit of stiffening on this frame. As you can see, it kind of wobbles a little bit, and a little bit of tuning. It looks like maybe retraction's a little funky. My first layer is a little bit high. It's still stuck really well though. It needs a little bit of tuning, I think. It looks like maybe, yeah, there's like blobs on the retraction. So I'll do a little bit of tweaking on that. But I think, I mean, for the goal of getting this machine going, it looks pretty good. I do think what I want to do is probably upload one more firmware to it and close the box, and we'll call it good. I just want to limit the print area as far as where the head can go, so a little bit more anyway. So let me do like a helmet. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna take some measurements here. Let's see. But I think as far as the first printout of this thing in 6 years, I mean it's not bad. Yeah, some tuning needs to happen for sure. I don't honestly know how much effort I'm going to put into that. Maybe a little bit just to get rid of the blobs, but I think the ringing and stuff like that, really, it's a function of the machine. And I don't know if I'm really going to do anything to make this more stiff. So I think what I want to do is kind of get an idea of how much space between the edge of the plate and the nozzle. We'll call it 17 on that X. 17. I don't know, this is going to be kind of an estimate here too. Let me see here. Let's move it up one. We'll move it. See if I can get a better estimate on this side, maybe. Trying to figure out some bounds for where this is gonna kind of end up, I guess. Let me see. Yeah, we'll call it 14 on the Y also. Okay, so Y 14. So think what we're gonna do, let's just max out the X, for example. Where's my position anyway? 4. Here, let's get their position here. Let's try that again. M114 should give us the position, but it's not. What about on the front here? X thinks it's at 120. So we could so if we limit X to 180, we won't hit any nodding clips or anything like that. So let me launch the VS Code again. We're in configuration H already. Let me search for 130 because that gives me my max position. Okay, so here's X and Y. So X size is 180. Let's go with Y. Oh, what do you think you're on the Y? Y, you're at 0, so let's go 100. Whoa. 50. So, what just hit where? Something just hit. I heard it. And going, let's try it again. Y. Let's from Z. You know what? I wonder this clip on the back. It can be on the back. I think we're probably better on the back, but on the front we go on the sides. Something like that. Okay, so maybe not. Maybe, I don't want it to hit. Oh crap. The clips are really, really close. Let me see. Let me watch it. I think we're at 140. 50, 60, 70, 80. Oh, that's that. Okay, then hit 180. Let's take X back over a little bit. Yeah, I think 180 is good. I think 180 is good on Y also. So we will just limit these. 180. And the min position for Z, I'm going to put 0.1. since we always measure with a piece of paper or a feeler gauge, it's actually the end stop actually triggers at 0.1, so that should be good. So let's disconnect this from my print. Let me also just save. And then let's go to build. I'll hook that up, and we'll do all this stuff again. And while we're doing that, let's go to the Orca Slicer profile too. Let's see, set 1, X and Y. Yeah, okay. We'll set those to 180. Okay, that's good. What is the G code doing again? So, absolute, extrude relative, heat the first layer temperature, first layer temperature, home them all, go to 0.3. Okay, temperature, 0, so the initial load is. I'm not quite sure what this is actually doing, E19. Let's see here. So this looks like it's going to X205. So this is actually laying down like some stuff here, like the lines. I personally, I think I'm gonna trash that. I think it's doing weird stuff. Let's see. First layer height. So this here, I don't really like this. I prefer to go to the first layer height. And depending on what I set it for, dang it, where is it? It probably is the same ones as Prusa Slicer. It looks like it because I think it's based off of Prusa Slicer, so. Prusa Slicer. Variables. I know there's a cheat sheet. Placeholders? Maybe that's it. It's like an image. I remember like the image. Oh, layer height. Okay. First layer. Let me see. Orca Slicer do that too. Let's save this. Let's find out. Let's see, quality, layer height, first layer height, initial layer print height. Okay, so that's a long one. So we can do this. Where's the machine G code? So G1. I don't care about the Y. Like literally just the Z. And put it in the brackets. What was it again? Initial layer print height. Let me see, I'll double check it. So, initial layer, okay, so let me just double check it again. want that to go so fast. So 300. But yeah, that looks good. Let's see, this is a retract, that's that. G1, if max layer Z is less than max print height. You know, I don't want you to do all that. All this stupid logic here. So retract filament. You don't need that. We don't need that. Wait. Turn it off. Turn it off. G1, X1. Yeah, that's good. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Disable mode. Yeah. I'm happy with that G code. Let's see. How are we doing on VS Code? It's done. Let's upload it. Okay, so to upload, we've got that. I didn't do any of the prep before I plugged that in, so let's unplug it. Move the power jumper over to the 5 volts. Hold this. And we have to place the auto reset jumper on so we can actually communicate with it. Okay, plug this in. And hit upload. Yeah. Yeah, some definite blobbing here. This is supposed to be using firmware retraction. Maybe I need a little bit more. Because if we go here, see it says use firmware retraction. Marlin 2. So I wonder. Let me take a look on the desktop here. Let's see, on the desktop in this G code. Let's open it with. Let's go Notepad. Let's just do Control F. G10, I think, is a retract. Okay. So it should be doing that. Maybe it just needs a little bit more. Let me look at the start G code too and all this stuff. Okay, you're doing all that. It's a time thing. This is all of the stuff that I just edited. Alright. Yeah, it probably just needs some tuning, but we'll get to that. Looks like this went ahead and it's flashing now. Go ahead and just these guys, I think we're safe. Okay, it's done, thank you. Let me just save that firmware again. Okay. Alright, I think that's it. So let me just button this up and we're going to call this done. Let me pull that out for now. Move some of this stuff. Okay, so we need to move this jumper back over. Good. Remove this jumper because we don't need it. Put this back on. Okay, that should be good. this out of the way. But I'm moving all this stuff when I could be showing you what's happening here. So putting the power supply back in. And unfortunately it's kind of a pain in the butt because you have to hold it up while you put the bottom back on. Kind of like so. Let's see if I can get it. Excuse me. Come on, you gotta. Oop. The ones up front are kind of hard to leverage on to get the screws in. Come on. Wish there was another way to do it. Come on, catch. Do it upside down? Maybe it's just falling away too much. Upside down. Okay, okay. Okay, so now that we've got that, let's get the rest of it buttoned up. A few more screws, we call it done. Okay. And then let's see. See if we can get all these cables in here. Come on. to set myself up very good for that. Two screws, and it's done. No spare parts other than the ones that I intentionally took off, and they're working really well. I think a little bit of tuning, but I think we should be good. Up now. Oops. Okay. I think this is good. We'll turn it back on. Let's just film it. Oh, I gotta pick it up. Where did I put that USB cable on? Okay. USB cable goes on this side. It's the other way. Connect. Okay, so what I'm looking for to home is it's going to be 0, here. It's going to be 0.1 when it's off the bed, 180 here, 180 here. So control, let's just do G28. Did I do it right? G28. Oh, I'm not typing it there, that's why. Hang on. Haha, I'm typing it in the chat. Let's try that again. There. Okay, so the interface says 0.1, which is where I want it to be, because that's where we leveled it off the bed. And now if I try to make it go past 180, it shouldn't. Let's do Z. I want to raise Z up a little bit. Okay, 100x all the way. Okay, so that was, I issued two 100mm moves. It only went to 180. And we still see M114 should give us position. But why is it not? Either way, okay, this is right. So we'll do the same thing for Y. Y. Okay. Yeah, that's that knocking noise is the cable chain hitting the frame. Okay. And it also says 180. So, all right. G1, F0, E0, F. I don't know. Okay. That's it. Let me. Let's maybe what is that? 90. Let's just center it. I'm gonna center it for a picture for later. So. Should we move that all the way back? Right, nothing seating. Yeah, okay. Alright, that's it. I'll need to straighten up a little bit. Okay, looking good. My feeder gauge back. All right. That away. These are all parts. Okay. I'll straighten up a little bit. All right, that's it. This printer has been restored and it's fully functional now, so I appreciate you coming along with me on this journey. If you would subscribe and like the stream, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.